Hey guys, really quick one this week just to show you where we're at with the Torana, being more wiring, and Dylan's XK. So Dylan's XK is only got 2 more panels for him to block back by what I can remember, and get in and do a heap of masking, get it all taped up ready for getting the colour on it and the clear. So that's really close, weather permitting. So we'll see how we go. It looks like the rain set in for the weekend, so may or may not get much done on that. Torana has about 3 more wires to run, 4 more wires to run, and yeah, it's then ready to build the fuel system, the supply and return lines to the back of the car, because Holden runs that really jinky little 5/16 fuel supply line up to the front, which won't work with the Sniper. So yeah, I'll turn you around, shows where we're at. Okay, so all still looks pretty much the same. We've looped up the heater hoses to keep them up a bit higher. We've got the ice ignition Dizzy has actually been mounted and timed, the coil's mounted, the leads are run. We've got the wiring to the coil back here, and we've put in, once that focuses, the patch harness that connects to the Sniper Dizzy, and we've got the loom for the coil and whatnot running up to the front. So that patch harness hooks into the Deutsch connector there, and that runs through to our main Holley Sniper connector that comes off the throttle body. So that's all been loomed up. The fuel pump's all loomed up there. That's where the factory one comes off the Sniper plug. That blue wire, we're gonna have to tuck down and run down to the back of the car for the fuel pump trigger. And over here, we just gotta go through now and clean up the wires coming in and out of the PDM. Once I've got the 3 from the ignition module up inside the dash, run through, and we'll then loom those up and clean them up. And I've got to put 1 more ground on the car. We're probably gonna go on the other side, but from the engine mount to the chassis rails, just so we've got a better chassis ground off the engine block. And then just clean up this around here. The ignition box inside the footwell of the passenger side has got the main power, the trigger power, and the white wire that goes to the points trigger signal. They all have to be run through and out to here. And then this little connector here has an extension that plugs into that and then wires out into a dual adapter. And that dual adapter then lets us run 2 of those data cables inside the car, which will then let us have the original 3-inch screen, or whatever it is, 3.5-inch screen for doing the setup. And we've got the 5-inch screen as well, so it'll have a GPS speedo, tacho, all of that kind of stuff, as well as being able to run all the data live off the other screen at the same time. I've got an idea of where I want to mount them. I'll have to talk to someone that can do some 3D printing. And down here in the factory SL dash, so the SL dash has that hole there where this little coin pocket, tidy pocket, whatever you want to call it, slides into. So what I was thinking was having something 3D printed to slide in there and have a flat face on it. So if we ever want to take it out, that can slide back into the hole over here. It's all factory stock. But when it's got the Holley stuff in it, the insert slides into this, goes into there, cabling runs through the back of it so you can't see it, and we put the 2 screens attached to the front panel that's going to go across there, and keeps all the dash fairly stock. You're not mounting them off the glass, and it all sits down there. Well, that's the plan on that anyway, so whether it works out like that or not, I don't know. I'll have to have a talk to a couple of guys that do the printing. Young Reese that works here has got a couple of printers, but doesn't have the facility to scan it. Ben over at Mex's can do 3D printing, and my cousin can do it as well. So I'll just have to have a talk to some people and see what we need to do, what drawings we need to do to make it work, and then just see if it's something that's practical or not. If not, I don't know, we'll find somewhere to put them that doesn't look too janky and too messy. So yeah, so all going well. This weekend we'll be back doing some more sanding on Dylan's car, weather permitting, and getting it all taped up for the final tape up. If that doesn't work, I'll be back here working on this. So there probably won't be any video this week, just this little bit of a catch up, because by the time I get it recorded and then get it uploaded, it's fairly late on a Friday, fairly late on a Saturday or a Sunday, so we'll probably hold it through till Wednesday next week again. But yeah, until then, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.